Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to teach you how to add an A record to your domain on Namecheap. So it's really easy to do, it's very simple. So let's go on and get right in with the video. Now, first and foremost, head over to the domain list here on the left hand side, click on it, and then look for your domain. Once you've already found it, go ahead and click the manage button. And when you do that, it's going to send you to your domain settings and all of that, or your just domain in general, what it's connected to, and all of that. So just give it a second here for it to actually load. And here we are now. So head over to your advanced DNS settings and then go ahead and click on that. And when you do, there's going to be an option right here that says host records. Now, you're going to want to go down and then click add new record and then look for the A record here. Now, go ahead and click A record and then put whatever the host is and then the IP address it points to. Once you've done that, then just click the Save Changes button, and then that'll go ahead and save your A record to your domain, and any changes will be reflected very shortly upon actually adding that record. So anyways, that's been it for the video. That's how you add an A record to your domain. If you did find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment down below if it did help you, and if it did, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all for the next one.